Hey all, been asked a few times about getting out blind end bearings, like for example the input shaft bearing down here. Most of the time you can just heat them up on the other side and they're just gonna, as you turn it over, it's gonna fall out. But some of them are quite stubborn. This one's actually a stubborn one. We've got to change these two, even though they're fairly good. That one feels a little bit notchy where they fitted it from the factory, so we're going to change it. So I'd like to show you a little puller kit which we sell, which is part number 5563. It's a very basic kit, but it works really well. So it comprises of a little expander which goes up the middle of the bearing. This is completely blind. There isn't much room to get it to catch on the back, but we can just about get them to catch. Otherwise you can, if you've got a workshop, you can just weld a bolt onto there and slide hammer it out, and that'll do it. But if you haven't, these kits are really good. Obviously grease everything helps. Put the expander in, wind it up a couple of times, drop that in, gonna wind it all the way in, and the spanner like so. Put that through there. Gonna make this look really cack-handed, but I'll keep it pushed down all the time as you do it up. So try and expand it behind the bearing. It might just go in the chamfered edge, like so. Seems to have got a grip of it. There's an outer sleeve. I'm using the small sleeve. Drop that down. Couple of washers which come in the kit and a bolt. I'm going to grease the thread like with everything you need to grease, just so it doesn't bind up. I'm still going to use heat with this one because it didn't want to fall out earlier when we tried it. And guess what, there's a tight spot on the thread. No, here we go. We haven't rehearsed this at all, so might have a few blundering moments. Right, so she's sitting square and she's starting to take the tension up. I forgot my 19mm spanner. There we go, need that at the ready. Just get a little bit of tension on it, like so. Right, we're going to add some heat. I'm going to heat the underside of the crankcase. I've got my blowtorch over here ready. Get my gloves on, here we go. Add some warmth. Right, I'm going to lose my sound. Right, we'll wind her up and see if she'll come out. Well, Sonny's let go. I think it's probably the puller. No, she's pulling it out. Here we go. And there we have it. She's out. It's a great tool. As I say, you can use it on other bearings. Most bearings in these engines, obviously, you can get to the other side, so you can just knock them out. If you need to keep the bearings, obviously draw them out, then you don't put any pits, when you're trying to knock them out. So yeah, great little tool, part number 5563. Like I say, it's fairly cheap, but we've used them, and for a couple of years, and they've been really, really good.